have a sample spreadsheet that I created just to give you a look at how formulas and how things can work. We see here that we have a sheet of monthly expenses. Now everything on the surface just looks like a bunch of numbers. There's a list of expenses. We have salaries, social security, transportation, manager costs, and different expenses. But we see that embedded in this table is a lot of calculations and a lot of formulas. So if we go here, let's say we have our percentages of what percentage of our monthly expense is due to this particular cost, such as salaries. So here, if we click on this percentage for salaries, 22.90, how did we get to that number? We see that there's a formula in this cell, D3. What is the formula for expenses? The formula is E3 divided by E23. Now let's go back into our table and we'll see that E3 pertains to the money spent on salaries, divided by E23, which is, if we go down, we see E23 is our total costs for the month. So if we take our monthly expenses for salary and we divide it by the total, we come up with a percentage of 22.90. Now each of these percentages will be a formula based on the amount for the individual expense divided by the total amount of expenses. So here we see for Social Security it's 1.36 because now our formula changes. E4, which is E4 is the $69 a month for Social Security, divided by E23, which again is our total cost. So there's formulas embedded in this table, and every time, let's say our Social Security costs went up for the month, then obviously the percentage would also change. And so that's the nice thing about Excel, that you see it in action here, that as our costs change, we can get a running total of our total expenses and what percentage of our total expenses are due to that particular cost.